Hey everyone, today I wanted to share my honest experience with something that's been getting a lot of attention lately, the Wuffy Robot Dog. So if you've been searching Wuffy Robot Dog reviews or wondering if Wuffy is a scam or not, this video is for you. I'll be real with you. When I first saw Wuffy online, I was a bit skeptical. A handmade AI-powered robot puppy that acts like a real dog and keeps kids off screens? It sounded almost too good. But the 30-day money-back guarantee and all the verified reviews convinced me to give it a try. Out of the box, setup was super simple. You just pop in the batteries, flip the switch, and Wuffy literally wakes up. Little barks, tail wags, and that cute puppy shuffle. There's no app, no Wi-Fi, no complicated settings. It just works. What really surprised me is how lifelike it feels for a toy. It walks, sits, and barks with smooth, puppy-like motions. When you pet its head, it actually responds with happy sounds and tail wags. And over time, it feels like it adapts. Kids quickly start treating it like a real little buddy. In my experience, Wuffy shines in a few areas. It's great for families who can't have real pets because of allergies, renting rules, or busy schedules. No shedding, no mess, just play. It really encourages screen-free, imaginative play. I've seen kids walk it around, talk to it, even make up little stories. The build feels high quality and handmade, not like a cheap plastic toy that breaks in a week. Is it perfect? No, it's still a toy. It's not going to replace the full experience of a real dog. And if you're expecting a super advanced robot that talks back in full sentences, that's not what Wuffy is. But as a cute, interactive companion that keeps kids engaged and smiling, it honestly impressed me. From my experience, Wuffy felt legit, not a scam. It arrived, worked right out of the box, and does what the brand claims. A playful, AI-powered puppy without the hassle of a real pet. Of course, everyone's experience can be different, but I've been happy with it so far. Click the link in the description below to get one for yourself. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another honest product review. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.